Sometimes you got to do what you got to do to keep the oldies alive, and the industry is in a state of change right now, so in my opinion, sometimes better to hold out for better technology. That's the strategy I'm taking in keeping systems alive for the present and for the near future. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Dinosaurs alive. Okay, jamming right along. Checking the next two units here. Over here, these ones got rocks on top of both of them. Be wobblers. These can be tricky. But a lot of time, I make sure I put them back all the time. A lot of people get frustrated with them and don't put them back. That's not good. You need those. Okay, taking off my lids. Almost lunchtime. Okay, let's discharge the capacitor. The capacitor holds the charge even after the power is disconnected. And we're just disconnecting the common wire. There we go. And on this one, can't tell which one's the common, so I'll just disconnect them both. Okay, that's that. And the next one, discharge the capacitor. Capacitor holds the charge in it even after the power is disconnected. And I'll disconnect the start wire. There we go. And this one. Okay. Now ready for testing. Microfarad testing. Common Herm looking for 35, 34, that's good. And 5, 4.97, that's good. Strong wire lead connections. That one's a little weak. Fix that up. It's strong now. All right. Next. Here's our fan cap, looking for 5. 4.94, it's good. Looking for 35. Uh-oh. .12. Sounds good. All right. Reconnect the wires. These are both a little weak. Fix those up. Now they're nice and tight. All right. I think on these capacitors, I'm going to start putting them in with the other deal in front. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'll probably start putting my start wires in the front, and that would make it a lot easier to disconnect and test the capacitors in the future. It's not, you know, crucial or anything. I'm having a hard time getting back there. Oh gosh. Because I can't see. Cannot see. Got it. Okay. So I'll plug these back in. And test them. Covers are hard to work with. All right, here we go. Let's test it. Still live. I don't know for how long. But I remember this unit. I tested the amp draw before and it tested good. It's just one of those things. Alright, there's this one. Going through, just, you know, oh man. A wobbler and a rattler. Alright. Just gonna have a better summer. It's not going to be perfect by any means, but going to eliminate maybe 90% of fallouts and protect the electrical wiring circuits. You know, spare a lot of wear and tear on the units. Have better, most likely better electric bills. Things not having to work as hard. Do its job. It's all around a good thing. Okay. The cover's back on. We've got two more units that are both Goodman units. Yep. Okay. Two more Goodman units and done deal. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.